In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom Extents and drawing disappears in AutoCAD. If you've ever hit Zoom Extents and your view suddenly jumps way out, or your drawing seems to vanish, don't worry, this usually comes down to a couple of very fixable issues. I will walk you through how to spot them, clean them up, and get your view back under control. First, let's deal with distant, orphaned objects. These are tiny stray items like a point or a block that live far away from your main model. They can trick AutoCAD into thinking your drawing is much larger than it really is. To clear them out, select everything in your file by pressing Ctrl+A. When everything is selected, grips will appear on your objects. Keep an eye out for grips that sit far away from the main cluster of geometry. If you see any way off in the distance, that's your clue. Simply press Delete to remove those unwanted bits. Now, recenter your view by running Zoom Extents, type Z, then E and press Enter. Your drawing should snap back to a sensible scale. Next, let's talk about frozen or hidden layers. Even though you can't see objects on frozen layers, AutoCAD still includes their extents in the Zoom Extents calculation. That means your view can still be stretched to include geometry you didn't know was there. Open the Layer Properties Manager and thaw or turn on all layers. With everything visible, it becomes much easier to find and remove items that don't belong. Once those unwanted objects are gone, you've eliminated another common cause of the disappearing drawing effect. If the problem persists after these steps, make sure every layer that should be visible is indeed thawed and turned on, then refresh your display. Type Regional and press Enter. This forces AutoCAD to rebuild the display for all viewports and can clear up lingering graphical hiccups. After the region completes, it's a good idea to run Zoom Extents again with Z. Then E, to confirm that your view behaves as expected. With these actions, removing distant orphaned objects, thawing and cleaning layers, and regenerating the display, you solve the most common reasons Zoom Extents misbehaves and why drawings appear to disappear. Keep these checks in your workflow whenever a view looks suspicious, and you'll save a lot of time chasing ghosts in your file. That's it. Thanks for watching.